Hi guys, so today is the 10th of August and we're gonna do the forecast for the 12th till the 16th. Okay guys, and we're gonna use our system. This is Advanced Profit Cloud system. Okay, so this is a really beautiful, wonderful system, and it will be available for you guys soon in our website. So just be patient please, it will be available for all of you. Become a member on our website. Our technical team will assist you guys to install the system in your laptop or your desktop and make sure it's working perfectly, and it's gonna show exactly how it does show in front of me right here. Okay, so you guys, we're not keeping this away from you, it's just a matter of time. We're still working in the website and all that stuff, and this is gonna be available for you guys for membership. It's gonna the website is gonna have some premium fees, but we're gonna continuously add in more systems, and they're gonna update our systems also. So there are gonna be updates, and there are gonna be newer systems being added on. Also, we're gonna have signals. So all this is good news. We're gonna try to keep you guys in the good side of the trade, keep you on the profitable side. Okay, we're doing our best to help you guys also. Okay, I hope this will be really good for everybody. Okay, so let's start our forecast. So you can see the trend direction here is downtrend, and the sell is the signal is a sell. So now you guys, we did bounce from this area right here. This is multi, like, was very high price. I actually previous 2 weeks ago I did forecast this price to come down from here, but the rate cut did take this for that week and a little bit more, but I forecasted this to start coming down, right? You guys, last week in forecast I have said this is going to continue down. So actually dollar index did not move much during last week other than this little bit here. So it did come to those a little bit, it did bounce back, and it's moving in the range. What we expect now, we have a still nice sales signal here. The beautiful thing about this system, it will give you the first signal and it will give you the continuation signal. So that was a signal, but it did bounce back, so you should have got out here and take the buy signal. Also gives you the stop loss here, and you can add or decrease the stop loss from the stop loss sensitivity right here. So watch out for this, guys. See, it moves back, right? Then you can take it forward like that. So you can decide whatever your stop loss level, then you can or add, make it more or less, and you put your stop loss right here. That's really good, guys. You know, it's putting you on the right side of the trade always, and it's gonna be available for you guys. We're not keeping it for ourselves only, okay? And we're gonna keep updating you guys with newer system. We're gonna put you on the right side of the trade, okay? So we expect the dollar index to actually continue coming down, guys, okay? Our dollar, and Mr. Trump is just, all what he's doing is just to put the dollar down, okay? What he's doing right now is putting stress on the Feds, and the Feds are gonna have to do a rate cut again and again. So I think that the rate level is gonna go to 1.5 from the current level we have right now. So remember this. So this is coming down. So the dollar fund rate or the Federal Reserve fund rate are gonna have to drop from 2.25 to 1.5. So we're gonna have 3 more rate cuts coming within a year, okay? So every 3 months, maybe 1 rate cut. This has to be done. Mr. Trump is pushing so hard on them, and I think the Feds are gonna have to follow, okay? And the Federal Reserve Bank being the highest interest rate is not helping the American economy so good. He's not very happy about that, okay? So for the euro index, you guys can see this is a weekly, okay? That the weekly, you can see in the weekly it's in a downtrend, okay? It did come down here, it did do some correction. I remember last week I've told you there's probably going to be a little bit of correction, then coming back down, okay? So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, that was the correction from the weekly, okay? It's beautiful, guys, right? The system is really nice and gives you beautiful. Okay, that's the start of a downtrend here, guys, okay? And that's a continuation signal. So it will give you the initial signal and it will give you the continuation signal. So when many people will think this is a buy, our system did not give a buy because this was not a buy. Then when it did reverse, our system did give you a continuation signal. It did give you a stop loss. Sometimes it will start bouncing back. You end up breaking even or a small loss or small profit. But in our system, it will give you the initial sell and it will give you a continuation sell, which is really good, amazing. And how does this work, guys? I'm gonna make a video explaining this 100%. But this is support. It's like Uchimoku, but it's not. It's completely not like Uchimoku. It looks like it, but it's not. This is your support level, okay, or resistance. So this, every time when you're downtrend, this work like a resistance. Every time the price does come down, it has to go back to this resistance level. It does bounce back, come here down, go back, it bounce, it go back. So if we, yeah, it's just coming back and bouncing, coming back and bouncing, coming back and bouncing. And the moment, you guys, it's broken up like that one, and the color change. See, look at this moment right here. When this color changed from the tomato color to the blue color, then that's the start of a early buy. Once you're up here, then you're taking a buy. Okay, it depends on what time frame you're working on, but at least you need to get out when this happened from this sell. So this sell was really good. If you go with the cloud change, like you start with cloud change here and you get here, and from here to there, this will work really good. Okay, so what to expect from the euro? We actually expect going down. Okay, so the daily, you can see that the euro has been ranging a lot. Okay, so we expect from the ECB after a little bit to start taking actions to ease more or actually cut rates. This is like the trend is up here. We've had like a sell signal is giving a little bit up. So it also gives you the correction. So the signal now, because this was a correction, there is no buy yet. There is no confirmed buy yet. So when you have a confirmed buy, it's going to give you an arrow like that one and give you the stop loss and like that. So this is index. So just using it for explanation, guys. Okay. So what we expect from the euro, let's draw it like that. We expect to come down, guys. Okay. Maybe it will go up a little bit more. So maybe up to here, but we're not interested in that. Then it's gonna come back down. Okay, so that's the wave we're looking for, selling the euro. Okay, and the MACD also is giving you, a sell here. So you have, you have to understand the system within the forecast and the overall package. You're gonna be doing really good. So the euro will be looking to sell the high. We're not gonna buy this up move. Okay, hope that makes sense. Okay, guys, this is the pound index. You can see it's been continuously going down. I have said, you guys, there's no buy signal in the pound yet, and I've said if there's no Brexit deal, the pound is gonna come down to $1. So this coming week we may see a little bit of a correction in the pound because it did crash so bad, or side move. So let's say something. Every time the price is gonna go far away from the cloud, then it does have to go sideways a little bit. Okay, so something like that, you guys see. It did go back so bad, then it need to do some correction like this. Come to the cloud, then it did continuously come to the cloud, even coming to this trend line, closer to the trend line, right? See. Once it comes to touch the trend line, then it will crash again. See that? Make sense, guys? Okay, I'm gonna explain the system more and more later on. So what we expect now from the pound, maybe we'll have a little bit of correction like that, okay, within the half of the first week. Then it may continue going down. Okay, so the pound is not, I don't think the pound is tradable at all, you guys. If you're a sell and you move your stop, is fine, but there's no buy signal at all in the pound index. Okay, there is no buy. Okay, guys, the franc index, we want to sell this high. Why? Because the central bank wants to actually lower. This is the daily, guys. Okay, this has been shooting bad in the daily. So this is good. This is good to sell. Okay, so franc, we expect this to come down. Okay, so we want to sell this high. Why everybody's buying the franc? Because what Mr. Trump did about the tweet, and everybody went to buy the franc and Japanese yen, and the Australian New Zealand crash. Okay, so when there's fear in the market, Australia and New Zealand will crash because they're so connected to the Chinese economy and all that stuff. And the franc as in Japanese yen at the safe haven, they're gonna get strong. That's why you can see the Japanese yen and the franc, both of them did get strong. You can see this methodology when the price does pull back too much from the trend line. You can see here this start coming like that, right? Till it comes to the trend line, then it will decide if it will go up or down. So we have the same scenario here. This has to continue down a little bit like that till it comes to the trend line here. Then I expect myself this will come down. Okay, so we'll be looking to sell the franc. Japanese yen, okay, this is the opposite, guys. Coming down here, the Japanese yen is inverse. So coming down here, it means Japanese yen getting really strong. Okay, so let's say dollar yen getting really weak, everything. So that's a beautiful thing, guys. That was a start of a sell signal, and that's a stop loss. Was beautiful, right? So when it did come down here, you're gonna find so many people go and buy the dollar yen and everything, where our system is giving you a sell continuation of a sell signal right here, in the Japanese yeah, index. Okay, so that's a continuation of a downtrend. That's what's the unique thing about our system. It will catch and filter. It does not, you know, get fooled by the fake like fake breaks. Okay. Canadian index, I think this is gonna go up, guys, a little bit. Then it's gonna come down. The Central Bank of Canada is gonna have probably to cut rates. They're gonna stop their they're thinking about rate hike, and they're gonna move to rate cut. They're gonna follow the Feds. This, I think, the CAD was gonna go up a little bit more with the oil. Okay, then after from this level, then it's gonna crash down. Okay, you can see this is the start of a buy. We can take this one, and that's a buy. We can take that one in the 4 hour, but not for longer, guys. Okay, because bad news from last week, the employment rise is gonna push the Canadian Central Bank to cut rates and also to follow the Feds. They always like to follow the Feds. Okay. So the CAD is going to be a buy, then it's going to be a sell later on. Australian index, so you can see, guys, this is a sell. It was doing really good. It's starting having a buy. What I personally think what's going to happen is going to happen a double bottom here. So what's going to happen here? I think this is going to happen like that. Then it's going to take off upside. Okay. So just you can buy this price or can buy a lower price. I think this is not going to go in much further. This is going to go actually up. So okay. If you want to wait till there's a confirmation of a buy, is okay. If you want to avoid it this week and come next week, but this will be a buy. I don't think this will continue down. Okay, guys. New Zealand is the same thing. That was a good sell this candle, because New Zealand Central Bank did cut rate, and they cut 50 base point. They did not cut 25. That was a surprise, but the Central Bank chairman, he said this is not like this was just a strategic move. Is not a change. What he's hinting in this one, I think he's saying that we're not gonna cut again. That was just one time thing, and we're not gonna cut again. So the New Zealand index is still in the downtrend, guys. Okay, so wait a little bit to have a confirmed buy, then we buy it. I think also it may do a double bottom here, just like that. Okay, then we'll go up. So we can wait a little bit in the New Zealand also. Okay, but this is like really low price. We don't wanna, this is really really low price. We don't want to, guys, sell this one. Okay, this is the end of a downtrend. I don't want to sell it. I want to wait a little bit, then buy it. Does this make sense? But watch out, it may take some time here, especially in the daily. Okay, but in the H4 it's kind of ready. So wait a little bit, then we're gonna start going up. Then we want to take this uptrend. Okay, you can see this was beautiful. Okay, that was just beautiful. Like giving you beautiful signals. Everything is clear. It's giving you uptrend, downtrend. Is this a sell, a buy, a correction phase? It gives you sensitivity of the stop loss. It's just a beautiful system, guys. The SPX, guys, it did crash last week, and I think this is good to buy now. We have a buy signal in the 4 hour, and then you can take this buy. Okay, change of color right here, and if you take, if you're using lower time frames, you're gonna find this like that. So we can take this buy. Your stop loss will be below this candle, like here. Okay, you like buy it with like price action. Okay, I'm gonna speed up a little bit, guys. USD crude oil, I was expecting to come down to 50 and does bounce back. That's really good. So we can wait a little bit of pull down to this price right here. 53, guys, 53.20, then we can buy 53.20 going up. I think this is gonna go up to here. Then if we do break this one, we're gonna continue going up. Saudi Arabia said they're gonna do whatever they have to push the price back up. So I don't think the price is gonna go back down, guys. This is a really good buy. Okay, you can see the price did sustain above the trend line. It's turning here green. We have a buy signal, and you have a start of a MACD buy signal. This is beautiful buy. Gold, the gold was very clear, guys. I was saying 15.25. Then it did reach 15.08. Sorry, we missed the buy like $10, which is not bad. So what to expect now, guys? What we expect is don't trade gold now, because this is due to a small correction here to this level. Okay, like that. So we should have a correction to here, 1471 area or so. Okay, then after that we'll see what happened with the economy and all that stuff. If China and USA they get actually a trade deal, then this is gonna go down, guys, to this level again. Okay, if USA China trade deal gets done, which will not be a surprise for me, then we're gonna go back to to the 1423 1440 level. But if the escalation happen of this USA China war, then we're gonna see the gold at 1600. Okay, but I don't think this scenario is going to happen. But anyway, there is no buy or sell on the gold now. Wait till come back down to 1470, then we see what's going on in the economy, then we're gonna buy it. We want to buy the gold, we don't want to sell it. USD was very clear, guys. This is a sell, was continuously a sell. It never give a buy. So those people going to buy the USD there is no buy yet. This is going to 100 level. I have said this last week, and I've said continue to buy. You can see the system come down up. If it does go far away from the cloud, it will come back here. Okay, but as long as it doesn't close above the cloud, then your sell signal is still continued. This is a dynamic support and resistance lever is moving with you, and it gives you a signal, and it does filter your signal and gives you the trend direction, and it explains to you if it's a sell or a buy or a correction. This is just amazing system, guys. Bound yen, sell was still on, guys. Since it started here, the bound yen was a down sell. The sell started at 143, guys. Okay, just right here. If you have sold at 143.18, which is right here, like that, by our system, you would have made 1,600 bips. So 1,700 bips. 1,700 bip beautiful sell signal. Amazing system, guys. Amazing. Euro dollar, you can see it was a sell signal here. Was the continuation of a sell signal here. Then it did start going back up. So we have a buy signal here. So we can take this buy. Okay. Well, I use H4 for analysis, but you guys, when you have the system in the future, you can trade the hourly or 15-minute. Okay, this will be great. USD CHF, this was a sell. That was an initial sell. That was a continuation of a sell. That another continuation of a sell. So we expect this to go up a little bit to the trend line, then come back. So if you can see this is going up a little bit here, then you can sell it, guys. Okay, we think the dollar is gonna crash. Bound dollar, you can see this is the start of the sell right in this area. Then that was a continuation of a sell. You know, maybe I've seen so many people going and buying the bound dollar, but our system was actually given a sell and given you as a stop loss. Okay, so there is no buy in the bound yet, guys. There is no buy in the bound yet. If we get surprise news about really good Brexit deal and actually they achieve a deal, then this is gonna fly. Otherwise, or it's gonna sink really bad, really bad. Next week, I think, is going to be a slow week unless we have some news between USA and China. So USD CAD, this is a really good sell, guys. So if it does go up a little tiny bit, something like that, you can sell it. I think, see, this is a start of a change of a color, right? So this is a sell, right? Very clear. So nice sell. You can see that was a fake break. Our system did not give a sell signal in the fake break here. It actually did give you a buy here, okay? If that change of direction was confirmed, then it will give you a sell signal. Okay, I'm also doing my forecast here, you guys, to help assist you. So what's going on? It says the trend is up in the correction. Okay, till this confirmed to be a sell, the system here is not gonna change from uptrend to a downtrend till this is confirmed down here. There's no confirmation yet. But from my analysis, I expect this to go up a little bit, then come back down. Okay. Australian dollar, you can see that was a beautiful sell, guys. Okay. The system is amazing, guys. It's just amazing. It's just appealing to the eye. Just, you know, you can see you cannot lose this system. I don't think someone can lose this system for long term, right? It gives you just, you know, a sell here. You go sell again here. You sell again here. You know, then it started giving you a buy. You would actually make money in that buy. Then it did give you a sell here. You make money in all that one. It did give you a buy here. You make money in all this one. It didn't give you a sell here. It did give you a buy. Actually, you would make money in this one. It did give you a sell here. You would break even. It did give you a buy. You make some money. It did give you a sell. Beautiful sell. So the system is just amazing, guys. It's self-explanatory. I don't have to talk much about it, okay? So you guys, I think this is gonna go a little bit down. This is gonna go back up. If you wanna take this buy, is okay, as long as, like, if it does reverse down, you can get out of it. But I think this will be a buy. Euro Japanese yen, if remember when I was saying 118, so it did come down. Where everybody was just buying here, I've said, no, this is going to continue down. It did continue down. So what to expect now, guys? If USA China like tension get relieved a little bit, then we expect this to go up a little bit here, but not much. So we have to wait the market, okay? Because this may go up to here and may go up to there, okay? If there is good news. If there is no good news, we're going to 116 down, okay? So remember this. If there is no good news, we're actually going down to 116. Euro New Zealand, this will be a good sell, guys. This is like, you can see the system is giving just beautiful signals. You can't go wrong with that, right? It's just amazing, guys. It's just amazing system, right? Very clear. You can't lose money in this one. Anyway, so you can wait. You can sell smaller time frames, so like that. So you can wait a little bit and sell once the color change here, or you can sell this price slowly. It's fine. I think this is gonna come down. Japanese stock. So remember last week I've told you, as long as the USA China trade deal stays under pressure, then this market is gonna continue being under pressure. So watch out for this continuation signal. If it does start and continue down, what does this mean? All the JPY pairs are gonna come down. Okay, so pay attention to this. If the Japanese stock continue crashing, all the JPY pairs are gonna come down, guys, and you're gonna see the USD JPY at 103 soon, then 100. Euro Australian, it did come down here. It did bounce from the trend line. Okay, it was having a correction in uptrend, but I think this is gonna come down, guys. So this is may go tiny bit up, tiny bit, not much. Then this is gonna come down really good. So this is gonna be beautiful sell. So wait for the confirmation of a like a signal of a sell, then go as a sell. Okay, this will be a nice sell. So you guys, you can see the system is just a beautiful rate. That's a buy, beautiful sell. Give you another sell here. Then you take this buy. If you did take this buy by our system, you would have made 700 bips. And if you did take it from the start, which is here, okay, you would have made 800. If you did get out here, you have made 564 bips. Okay, guys, so beautiful system, beautiful. Canadian Japanese yen, then just avoid this one, because the CAD is gonna go up with the oil, but Japanese yen is gonna push everything down, so just avoid this one. DAX, guys, that was a strong sell signal. It did make lots of money here for whoever sold. Then there's a continuation for sell, so technically this should go down. So if there is pressure in the market, then this is gonna push this down. I would not take this sell, okay? If you have taken this sell and made some money, get out, avoid this one, wait a buy signal, then we're gonna take the buy. New Zealand Canadian, so this is too late now to sell, and there is no buy signal yet. You can see this is beautiful, guys. It's just giving you every buy and every sell, and you're gonna make money in every buy and every sell. And the worst case scenario, something like that, you end up breaking even. Okay, but you make money here. Continuation gives you a sell here, a sell, you make money here. This buy, break even. You go and sell this one, you make lots of money here. You go buy this one, maybe break even. You buy this one, then you're gonna make good money. If you did take the signal from here, then to here, you're gonna make really good money. From here to here is gonna be very good. From here to there is gonna be very good. Very clear, guys. Very beautiful system. Very beautiful system. Okay, Eurobound. I've told you last week, guys, Eurobound may continue going up if the bound sink, and that's what actually happened. So don't buy this. It's too late to buy. Not because the market is open, you can trade. Just know that this is not tradable now. The start of the signal was right here. If you did take it, good for you. Then stop loss here. Then now you can take profit. But otherwise, you cannot sell this one because there is no sell signal, and you cannot buy it. Okay, guys. The bound in, we have talked about it. So I think that's all for this week, guys. If you like the system, it will be available for you on our website very soon. And also we are working on other systems, not only this one. So we're gonna have stuff for like range and market and support and resistance and many other systems, guys. So stay updated. Soon we're gonna announce our website, and you guys are gonna be updated with the system. Thanks. And if you don't like the analysis, please hit the like button. Thank you, and have a great day.